Alright guys, so went to the secondhand store yesterday and found this guy. 10 bucks, not a bad price. And then we got Roomba down there that we've had now for a year. My parents gave that to us. But we found this guy that's trying to escape right now. Found him at the secondhand store too for 15 bucks. It's an i7. Currently looks like he's stuck. Apparently must need to have the back door closed when we're running him out here. So, seems to be all operational, except for the wheels are chewed up off of it, and the filter needs to be replaced. You know, normal wear and tear things, but the biggest thing is the wheels are chewed up. But it seemed to do pretty good. I should have taken a picture out here before I ran it. And yes, that little piece of dead dog toy right there it happened after the Roomba had cleaned in here. But it looks like it did pretty good. I'm going to do a video on doing a deep clean on it once I've tested everything. And get new wheels put on it. Alright, so this is after running it. I'm not sure if it's done yet or not. They went back and then said empty bin. So I'm going to empty this. Oops, I'm making a mess. And then put it back in and see what it does. Okay, so I just plugged it back in. And yep, it's going to go finish, it looks like. Alright guys, so here is the cleaning video of this guy. Once again, got it at a secondhand store for $15. So we're gonna get it cleaned up. It does seem to work. I have noticed a couple problems. We'll go over those real quick. As you can see, both of these wheels are completely destroyed. The dustbin, I couldn't figure out how come this was getting so full so quick, and then I noticed when I was dumping things out that the screen in here is broken, so the large particles are able to make it through here into the HEPA filter. So that's one problem. Alright. Get the sticker off. It's always the most important part of things, right?
Reinstall the bin, then press clean. Reinstall the bin, then press clean.
Alright.
Reinstall the bin, then press clean.
So I'm just using a small Allen wrench to get in here. And then you can clean around the edges. So one of the other things I've noticed is that it kind of slams into things really hard. And our old one didn't do that. I don't know if that's just characteristic of the new one. And I saw a couple videos where they said that that'll get less and less after it scans your, or maps out your house, because it'll know where things are. But I don't know, it seems a little off-putting. Alright, back up some of this stuff. Alright, so this is a super heritage program now. It's so tiny. Whoa, look at that. That's dirty. That's not all from. Alright, this is the second source. That's gross. It's really stuck in there. Let's get the wheel out. That's not the right screw, it's this one. Jeez. Everywhere you go, there's dust. Dog hair. Alright, so for the replacement wheels, we got to get this. Wow, that's really chewed up. Get these old rubber wheels off. Alright, so I went over and scrubbed the, whatever these things are called. They're not really brushes anymore. Just on rollers. Scrub those over at the sink. They look a little bit better. I don't know if that'll help anything out there. Let me see there. Apparently they don't want the average person taking that. I think there's a security bit on there. Huh. I mean, that's not what it takes now. Here's the big screwdriver. Should fit there. Actually, that doesn't look bad. Alright, that looks pretty good there. Penny! What are you doing? Alright, so I'll put this over here. Let me open this up a little more. Alright, well, that looks cleaner world. Airflow's gonna be. That's what Get in there. That's definitely a lot better system than what I had before. You know, nice and easy to get in there. Oh, you know what? That's not right. Not much. Alright, so I'm going to try to hot glue that piece in there. No, there's no button, that's fine. I'm not sure how I'm going to hot glue down there, but that's my plan. Whoever donated this thing to the secondhand store, definitely hand off to this thing. Just packed. I got another one of these coming today, along with the new rubber wheels, new brushes, new rollers, although I think I'll probably just leave these in here. They're not bad. And that guy too. Alright, so I got that piece glued up. Whether or not it'll work good, who knows. But I should be at least able to do a little bit more testing, make sure everything else works without it wrecking the filter. Or shall I say, hopefully without wrecking the filter. Keeps catching me off guard that this pivots to take it out instead of just sliding straight in like the old one. Alright, I'm going to clean the backside of the under tray because that's pretty gross. And then I just got to wait for the parts to come in. So, yeah, let's see how this thing runs after we get it all back together. Alright, so we got the parts in. I believe this will be the wheels. Oh yeah, that's right. It came as a 2-pack, so we got spares. Just in case you get a flat. That was really stupid. Alright, so there's the new wheels. That's what they should look like. Oh, that's the right one. Oh, wrong tip. Alright, so these are supposed to be able to just slide right on there. Like that. And there we go. Alright, and again, just slip it in around the bottom side and then up around the top. And then you just work it into that groove like that. Stick it back in. Make sure you screw both of the screws in. Which there's that one there and that one down inside that hole. God, I tightened that one already. All right. Slap battery back in. Go get the bottom cover. Oh wait, now that can be replaced afterwards. And this is the larger Phillips. I believe it's a P2 or something. Manny, what are you doing? And then of course there is 5 screws on the bottom of this one. On the old one there's only 4 across the bottom. But here is, you got the 2 up front, 1 on the side. Oh look, Roomba's woke up. And then these 2 over here. Alright, and then I got a new accessories kit, which has the rollers, the little sweeper, and filters. Let's see how these look. So comparatively, they pretty much look the same. Yeah. There's that. I'm not going to put the rollers on, but I just want to see how they compare. And they pretty much look the same. I wonder if these have already been replaced. Yeah. Oh well. Well, we got those for later. Looks like it comes with 4 filters, 4 brushes, a little sweeper, screwdriver, and the rollers. And of course the filter goes right inside here. All right, should be ready to go. Just in case you want a comparison, here's the new filter, and there's that nasty one. So we'll see how well that holds up with that hot glue fix on there. And I'm just going to go ahead and put these other wheels inside this bag so I don't have to store another box out in my garage. And let's get this off of here. Alright. Go plug this in over here. Well, not plug it in, but well, I guess maybe we should so it knows where it's at. some reason it has a hard time connecting to this dock. It could be that it's for that older Roomba. Alright, well, battery's gonna die, so I'm stopping. And here's Roomba going for a nice little clean here in the morning. Looks like everything's working pretty great on it now. Looks like I found a dirty spot.